on the Mexican Togue. My boy behind me and his brand new 2020 86. Not brand new, but it's only got like 7,000 miles. Plan on turning around in a second and lighting it up. Boy. You know, I bet this minivan is probably faster than his 86. Alright, once we get past these neighbor residents, alright, time to send it. Let's go. The turbo is powerful, man.
Initial D.
To point out, we both got Tomeis. Andrew's car is completely stock drivetrain wise except for the Tomei. He's got wheels, coils, big ass wing, lift, splitters, side splitters. He did this all in like a month. It came out so good. Do a U-turn, yeah. Andrew's got it. This is his first time out here. Please don't cross the double yellow, bro. Please don't do it. Right now we're actually logging, so we're a BRZ with a laptop right now. The laptop adds about 500 horsepower. Yeah, let's go! You should really give it a try, no matter what car you have. Just don't go over your limits. I feel like right now I've pushed probably to like 85% of my capacity to drive, which admittedly I'm still learning, still figuring out, you know, how to be faster, how to be safe. You're a savage.
See the old guy on this camera?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're trying to get evidence on us or fucking.
No, he f***ed with it. Yeah. Advanced multiplier is at 1. Holy shit, dude, that was, you're crazy. Still together, still working. Dude, that was super fun. The car's running great. How's your car running?
Great,
Amazing?
amazing. Yeah, bro. That's the hardest I ever pushed it.
There you go, bro. Those tires, super clean. You want to drive my car?
Yeah, fuck it.
Alright, BRZ with a laptop. You already know. Alright, Andrew's turn to drive the Turbo BRZ. Still logging. It's gonna be a big poppy log, probably like 30 megabytes. Firehawk Indy 500. Someone left a note in my car the other day. Sorry we freaked you out. We weren't following you, just liked your car on. Honestly, dude, I went through 4 different Catbacks searching for like the perfect sound, and then I found it with this. And I feel like, yeah, it's loud and a little bit ricey, but when I'm just coasting, it's chill.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. Alright, take it easy just because this guy's taking out the trash and I don't want to blast his ass. But in this section, I try to just like chill out just because like there's a lot of houses. Yeah, I think we're in low boost right now.
Yeah.
You want to put it in high boost? There we go. High boost. Yep. Bro, that was about an hour and a half long.
Yeah, solid, right?
Tuner should be happy with that.
Well,
Dude, BRZ is running really well.
yeah, bro.
Really, really well. Then it's too bad the GoPro is kind of janky today, so unfortunately I don't think I have footage of driving the pants off his car. But man, it was really fun to just momentum the NA car around. Turbo's cool, but I have respect for people who stay naturally aspirated. I think it's not a bad way to go. Only the best. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus.
You just said that shit's clean as fuck.
Yeah, dude. It is, bro. Look at that shit.
Look at that shit.
Look at that shit, dude. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Let me show you something cool. Come over.
What is it, an Easter? What is it?
Easter egg. Ready for this? Not a lot of people know this. Watch this, ready?
Get the fuck out.
Now, my thoughts after driving a naturally aspirated one back to back with my turbocharged one. I really enjoyed the NA feeling. I really enjoyed having my foot matted to the floor. I'm a little bittersweet or something, I don't know. I really enjoyed the NA. I really like that you can just go hard on it and I'm not really scared of it breaking. After I've done so much modification to my car, there's, you know, rattles here and there, things that are imperfect, but he's got a car with 7,000 miles on it. I didn't feel like I wanted more power. I felt like I was happy with the momentum. And maybe that's just because the road we were driving is curvy and these cars are made for those types of roads. I like my turbocharged one too, and it's unique and it makes some cool noises, and it's, you know, it pulls something about the way the factory intended it. Also, the Tomei on a stock 8.6 sounds amazing. Like just the Tomei with everything else stock header, stock front pipe, stock overpipe, sounds great, and it's not overly loud. I would recommend it to anybody. If you just want your car to be louder, I swear, just put that Tomei on. To this point, and I'm happy with where it's at so far. Next thing is going to be Aero and E85. Logs seem to look really good. I'm not a genius, but it looks pretty good. So it looks like the turbo rebuild and everything went well. I don't want to jinx it, but we're doing good so far. Chill a little meat. Why, you can just go rice or nice, go each car. What about this 350Z? It's just stock. Mo, can you pop your hood? No, he's got a Honda, bro.
Yeah?
He's got that Honda. No flex fuel sensor, just straight E85 with a precision turbo with absolutely no filter. Then you said a 6462? Yeah. Puts down a shitload of power. Today, we just...
How was that?
Amazing, bro. And then I drove his car. His car's got like 7,000 miles on it. It feels so good.
We should definitely cruise, bro.
That's all we did all day. We just cruised.
Yeah, they were supportive of the
Yeah, they're actually like, they were
bro.
fucking with us. They were like, you know, like,
like,
dickheads.
yeah.
They're like, go, yeah. I was like, yo.
RPF ones with R888s, stock wheels in the back.
Honda, man.
Dude, yeah, it's just ratchet power. All right, well, we showed up to the meet. The meet was cool. We're out here tonight. It's been a weird day, man. We've just been driving and driving and driving. And so we're at that Honda Civic that we just checked out. That's got like 1 million horsepower, like 500 horsepower, 85, precision turbo. This rebuild turbo, everything seems to be working great. Are they going to the gate to get more 85? People on 85 are always going to get more 85, swear to God. Yeah, man, stats look good, boy. All right, undisclosed Togue road in the middle of nowhere, Mexico. Gonna chase Andrew on the Togue, on the flat Togue. Here we go, man. Don't be scared, don't be scared, don't be scared. Imagine this road on max attack. You're gonna end up in someone's living room. Alright, so we just got done driving all day long, beating the crap out of this car, driving the pants off of it with Andrew and then some of our friends afterwards. And this car has been holding up really well. Knock on all Contura, I don't want anything bad to happen. But so far, it's been running great. The advanced multiplier has not dropped once. That was an issue, a challenge we were having previously, and it looks like my tuner tuned it right out because I have not seen it drop once. The car is running fantastic, it's making power, it feels good, it feels smooth, and it's loud, dude. But yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching.